So beginning with neck stabilization, one of the most highly researched areas to engage or retrain are these deep neck flexors. And a big part of this is not engaging the more superficial muscles on the side, but really just feeling tension right above your sternum in this central region. So if you look closely, it's not going to be a big movement. I'm just going to very lightly tuck my chin downward. And I'm going to hold that for 10 seconds. Now as I tuck down, I'm going to lightly push the back of my head into this towel, which may give you a nice stretch or tension on the back of your head. Same idea, if I push really hard and this area is sensitive, it's probably going to provoke some pain, maybe even a headache. So it's nothing that's very aggressive. It's a very light tuck and a very light pressure to maybe where you feel a little pulling in the back of your head, but I'm talking to you, I'm not overly straining. And I hold that for 10 to 15 seconds and I'll do 10 of them. Now the next step from this, if this is going okay, is we would then remove the towel or the pillow, and now I'm flat. Now a lot of people that have tightness in their neck when they try and lay flat, their head is arched back like this, so those people still need that pillow. But if you're able to lay down with your head a little bit more flat against the table, now we're going to do that same tuck where I retract my chin down and my voice changes a little bit, and then I push the back of my head down into the table for that same 10 to 15 seconds. Now if you try and do this and you're not able to tuck your chin and you're kind of like that, you need a small pillow or wedge under the back of your head. So once I master the first one and then this one, I can then progress to laying on my stomach with my head off the edge of the bed. And it's the same exact motion. Now I'm lifting my head up against gravity. So I'm going to do the same small tuck of my chin as I pull my head back up to this straight position. This is a position that we also progress to doing a lot of shoulder and scapular stabilization exercises. But it's the same concept. I'm just very lightly retracting my chin, and I'm trying to make sure as I lift up that I'm not looking upward, but keeping my gaze down at the floor, holding for a very similar 10 to 15 seconds.